What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Basic Brando. I was really cringy. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that I tend to do that sometimes. But I'm really excited. I've shared this with a couple of my close friends. Some of my close friends I haven't even shared it with you. But if you're into cars, then you know what this box and what this means without me even describing it. I can't thank Emily enough from Airlift Performance. Shout out to you. I will link your Instagram below. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this, and I'm excited for the work that we're going to do in the future. How I got all this set up, I will go into it in detail in a little bit later because I'm really excited to open the box and see what's inside. So I'm gonna do that right now. You get a shirt, you know? So, awesome.
Do I?
No, I don't know. Well, we finally have the car in the shop. I went through footage yesterday and I kind of deleted footage of me bringing my bags into the shop, so I kind of lost all that. But we finally have the car in here. This is Dylan. Dylan from ThoughtWorks. I'll put your Instagram. I'll put your car right here, you know.
Multiple cars?
Yeah, multiple cars.
Yeah,
just send me photos.
Truck out there.
Okay. All right, so what's the first step that we're doing?
So the first step is we're moving everything out of the trunk as we're gonna start kind of placing the tank, compressor, and get an idea of where we want to mount things and see what kind of line situation we have as far as routing, all that kind of stuff. That's gonna be the most important thing, is making sure that your lines are routed in a good, clean fashion behind everything, and that way they're still serviceable.
So while he's doing that, we're gonna do most of the talking on the GoPro, and I will be filming all the cinematic stuff of him putting the struts on with my camera. I have a camera set up over there. So pretty much this whole segment is gonna be installing the bags, and then hopefully it will be from today, or it will take today and tomorrow, and then tomorrow we'll have the first air out. So stay tuned. Nice premium bag. All right, update to day one. We got the front bags installed, or the front, I guess, struts installed, rear struts installed.
Front and rear struts are installed, tanks mounted, compressors mounted, manifolds mounted. So
pretty much all tomorrow we need to do is just running lines, correct?
Yeah, run lines, do the wiring, and after that we should be able to put the trunk back in, put the back seat back in, and ride dirty.
Well, we'll update you guys tomorrow. This is the end of day one, and then we've got tomorrow, day two, ThoughtWorks. All right, so day 2, we just got to the shop. I'm gonna have Dylan kind of update us because he's been here before we got here. So take it away, Dylan. What'd you do while we're gone?
So we got the struts mounted, completed, camber set on the front. Now we're just running lines. So
Cool.
Routing is important. So what we're doing for next hour or 2.
Solid. So I don't know how much footage I'll be able to capture of lines being ran just because it's not a lot of space of being in there with him while he's doing it, but I'm gonna try to show as much as we can. And hopefully the car, we don't run into any problems, knock on wood. Where's wood? But we don't have any problems, and then we can just finally have my car on air today. So we'll update you throughout the day, and there's Morgan.
I can't remember anyway,
But yep, stay tuned. Have power, it's alive, and now we'll do the reveal. So we just got done finishing up everything, finalizing everything, and this is what the trunk setup looks like. Pretty simple. Might do hardwood in the future, but right now we're gonna take it off the lift and then air out for the first time after we move that bad boy. So we will figure everything out in like 2 seconds, but I'm pretty excited for this car to see air out, and I don't know what else to say. I'm just really excited.
You can get in the vlog.
Yeah, you can be in the vlog. This is Jimmy. I'll put his Instagram. There's gonna be a lot of people I'm gonna put their Instagrams. But again, thank you, Airlift, especially Emily from Airlift. He's chilling.
Just chilling.
Emily from Airlift, thank you so much for setting this whole thing up, and you know, can't wait to do more projects with you guys in the future. So right now we're just gonna air out for the first time. So excited. Oh, Dylan, I need light. Someone grab my phone light real quick. Whoa. So hyped right now. I'm so hyped. Oh, monster truck height. Alright, about to air out. You're good. So good. This is the man himself. We'll put a light on. He's the one who did it. You'll hop out the car real quick and then we'll discuss the whole process. So this is sick. I'm so excited right now. I'm gonna have to get some new wheels and make sure that's lip defender or tucked. What do you think? I don't know. We'll make a poll. I'd say thank you for, you know, installing this and taking your time out of these 2 days and helping me out. I guess I got a question, like, what was the most difficult thing? Or like, how did the process go?
It's not necessarily difficult because really anybody can do it at home with basic hand tools and a drill, and a little bit of knowledge, especially electrical knowledge. But really anybody can do it. Their instructions are pretty straightforward. Otherwise, it's just time. This kit in particular was about 12, 13 hours. Others have been up to 20, 25 hours. You know, it really depends on where you want to mount everything, how we have to mount it, depending on the car, all that good stuff. So there it is.
Well, thank you, Dylan, and thank you, ThrottleWorks. I will post everything in the description below. I'm really stoked.
And be dirt nasty low.
And be dirt nasty low. I'm so excited. You have no idea. But yeah, again, thank you very much, and we appreciate it, Dylan. Thank you so much, buddy.
Should I?
Yeah, get to my height.
Get on
I'm like, but for right now, there's gonna be more content from them to come. There's gonna be ad specific for Boise. If you're in the Boise location, come to ThrottleWorks. Not just because they did my kit, just because Dylan is the greatest person ever. They do really quality work, great work here. Best in Boise. So.
Why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah?